Nemraj Sunda book Quick Revision Part 12. Crop production. First crop is paddy. Botanical name Oryza sativa. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 24. Origin Southeast Asia. It is a crop of wet tropical climate and also growing humid region of subtropic. India occupy first position among cereal in respect to both area and production. પ્રોટીન છે 6 થી 7% હોય વ્હાઇટ રાઇસની અંદર અને 7.9% in brown rice. It contains 2.5% fat, which is lost during milling. Hulling percentage 66% for 2/3 part of paddy. In general cereal, crop require 400 to 500 liter of water for the production of 1 kg of plant dry matter, but rice consume 10 times more water than other cereal. It requires 5000 liter of water to produce 1 kg of rice grain. In rice field, to prevent denitrification and leaching loss, nitrogen fertilizer should be incorporated in reduced zone so that the process of nitrification is delayed. Rice field submerged in 5 cm deep water during reproductive and grain formation stage is beneficial. Rice grain relatively rich in lysine content, which is 4% of total protein fraction. The main protein in rice is origin. Propanil stem F34 is the most widely used as post-emergence herbicide in rice. Highest area covered by India, highest production in China and highest productivity USA. In India, highest area covered by West Bengal, highest production also in West Bengal, productivity in Punjab. Classification. Oryza have 24 species, out of 2 are cultivated. First Oryza sativa and second Oryza glaberrima. Oryza sativa is a diploid species, 2n is equal to 24, and it has 3 main geographical races. First indica. It is grown throughout the tropics and subtropics in India. Characteristic by tall saturn, weak stem, elongated grain, droopy leaves, low productivity and irresponsive to high input condition. Second is Japonica, grow in temperate and subtropics region of Japan. Characteristic by short stature, sturdy stem, narrow erect and dark leaves, responsive to intensive input condition, having highest productivity. Grain shape are oval to round shape. Third is Javanica or Balu rice, grown in Indonesia, few tillers. Wild form of rice, it has many awns and a long duration of crop period. Second is Oryza glaberrima, grown in West Africa only. Origin Indo-Burma region or Southeast Asia. Rice is a self-pollinated crop. Fruit type is Caryopsis. The grain or Caryopsis is tightly enclosed with lemma and pilia, collectively called hull. Test weight of rice is 25 gram. Rice stem commonly called hulm or culm, which is made up of series of node and internode. Inflorescence of rice is panicle, which is group of spikelet. Climate C3 plant, short day plant and require hot and humid climate. Soil. Clay and clay loam soil are the best suited for rice cultivation. Acidic soil are good for rice cultivation. Most of the suitable pH range is between 4 to 6. Average temperature for plant growth is 21 થી 37 degree Celsius. India is mostly rice cultivated on lowland condition. Rice is a semi-aquatic plant grown in best under submerged condition. Under this condition, the atmospheric oxygen is transported by parenchyma tissue of leaves. Rice cultivated in 3 seasons. First, Osh season, sowing time is April-May. Second is Aman season or Kharif, sowing time is June-July. And third, Boro season or spring season, sowing time is November-December. In northwest part of country, only Aman Kharif crop is taken due to falling of temperature in winter. Varieties. The first dwarf variety of rice developed in the world is Taichung native one in Taiwan in 1964 to 65. First high-yielding dwarf variety developed in the world is IR8. By the cross between Petta into DG Woojin, it was the first known photoinsensitive variety released by International Rice Research Institute in 1966. Literally, DG Woojin means brown tip, short leg. First introduced variety of rice in India was Taichung native one in 1964 to 65. IR8 was second introduced variety in India from IRRI Manila, Philippines in 1966. First Indian high yielding earliest semi dwarf variety is Jaya, released in 1968, evolved by Dr. Sastri, and it is cross between Taichung native 1 into type 141. It is good yielder as compared to Taichung native 1 and IR8 both, hence it is known as miracle rice in India. Cuttack Orissa evolved two varieties, Malinga and Mahasuri. Mutant dwarf variety of rice is Jagannath and Satari. Variety suitable for direct seedling is Bala, Kaveri, Nagina 22 and Pusa 2 to 21. Bacterial blight resistance varieties TKM6. Salinity tolerance variety IR8 and Lunisri. Suitable for waterlogged soil Jhalmagan and Jhalmani. First hybrid basmati in the world is PRH10. First hybrid of rice in India is ORH1 1994. Variety released from IRI is Norin 10, Norin 18, Pusa 2 to 21 and Basmati 370, Pankaj and IR 20. Pusa Basmati 1, a world first high yielding dwarf variety under quality rice, has been developed by IRI through convergent breeding. Other variety Padma for upland rice, Pankaj for waterlogged condition, Ratna, Chambal, Sita and Sabarmati etc. Seed rate for broadcasting 100 kg per hectare, for drilling 60 kg per hectare, hybrid rice 15 kg per hectare, Depok method 2 થી 3 kg per hectare, R into P distance is 20 by 10 cm. Fertilizer management NPK ratio 100-60 and 25 kg zinc sulfate at last puddling is generally recommended in rice for high yielding varieties. In waterlogged puddle soil, develop two zone, upper zone 1 to 10 mm, a thin surface layer which contain oxygen is known as oxidized zone, and immediately below oxidized layer lies a reduced layer which contain no oxygen. It is called a reduced zone. Use nitrate fertilizer in paddy field should be avoided due to more susceptibility loss of nitrogen through leaching and denitrification. Hence, in lowland, deep placement of ammonical form of nitrogenous fertilizer in reduced zone has been proved to be efficient method of nitrogen application than other method. If we have used nitrate fertilizer in lowland, then we should incorporate in oxidized zone only. Nitrogen use efficiency of rice is 30 to 40%. Biological nitrogen fixation. It has been estimated the total nitrogen requirement of rice could brought down about 25 to 30% through biofertilizer algae. In addition to blue-green algae, the associated water fern azolla with blue-green algae Anabaena azolla also help in biological nitrogen fixation. Azotobacter, a non-symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria, also fix atmospheric nitrogen biologically in upland rice field. Next is Khaira disease. Zn deficiency causes Khaira disease in rice, usually at nursery stage. The tip of zinc deficient leaf first become yellow and they dry and plant remains stunted. Zinc deficiency is marked by appearance of rust color or brownish red color on surface of outer leaves. First reported by Y. L. Nene in 1966 at Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. It is managed by spray of 5 kg zinc sulfate at nursery stage and foliar spray of 0.5% zinc sulfate at early stage of crop. Next is browning of rice. Iron toxicity in rice is known as browning of rice. Iron toxicity is the major problem in rice production in the waterlogged acid sulfate soil, antisol and oxisol soil odor. The beginning of iron toxicity is characteristic by appearance of purple coloration at the tip and finally scorch appearance. Falguna variety is tolerance against iron toxicity. Then silicon in rice. Silicon is regarded as essential nutrient in rice production. Silicon deficient plants are soft and droopy. Silicon supply most of required silicon supply mostly required during panicle initiation stage because during this stage root activity is relatively reduced and the rate of transpiration is high. It has been noticed that silicon provides thick cuticle silica layer which function barrier against attack of insect pest. Silicon deficiency can be corrected by basic slag at the rate 0.2 ton પ્રતિ હેક્ટર because basic slag is the most common source of calcium silicate. Then weed management, Echinoclora crusgali, a barnyard grass, and Echinoclora colonum, a wild rice, are the major weed in a rice field. Weed problem is weed problem is less in lowland transplanted rice as compared to upland direct seeded rice. Herbicide use in rice crop mainly ગ્લુટાકોલ એક્ઝામની અંદર ગ્લુટાકોલનું પૂછાય છે એટલે ગ્લુટાકોલ આપણે યાદ રાખશું. બાકી એના સિવાય બેન્થિયોકાર્પ, પ્રોપેનિલ, ગ્લુટાકોલ અને એનિલોફોસનો યુઝ થાય છે. ગ્લુટાકોલ જે છે એ પ્રી ઇમર્જન્સ માટે, પોસ્ટ ઇમર્જન્સ માટે એનિલોફોસનો યુઝ થાય છે. નેક્સ્ટ બુશેનિંગ. ઇટ ઇન્વોલ્વ ક્રોસ પ્લાવિંગ ધ યંગ crop 4 to 6 weeks after sowing. A light country plow 5 to 10 cm in standing water once or twice is known as bushing. The purpose behind it to control weed, optimize crop stand and provide soil aeration. Next, puddling. It is the process of destruction of soil aggregate by mechanical force in the soil with excessive moisture content. Puddling destroys soil structure which hamper root penetration and develop succeeding upland crop grown in rotation with rice. Puddling increases bulk density of the soil about 1.4 to 1.7 gram per cc. આ જે છે સેન્ડી સોઇલની પણ બલ્ક ડેન્સિટી છે. It done with equipment is known as puddler. Objective of puddling to reduce percolation losses of water is main object. Then reduce weed infestation and increase nutrient availability. Next is critical stage for water. There are two stages. First is tillering stage. It comes 2 to 20 days after transplanting. Second is budding or late panicle initiation stage. The swelling of flag leaves is called budding. It is most critical stage of water for rice. બુટિંગ એન્ડ સ્ટીલરિંગ સ્ટેજ. જો ખાલી બુટિંગ આપ્યું હોય તો પહેલાં બુટિંગ સિલેક્ટ કરવાનું, અથવા બે આપ્યું હોય તો એક્ઝામમાં બંને સિલેક્ટ કરી નાખવાના. ડેપોગ મેથડ ઓફ રાઇસ કલ્ટિવેશન. This method was introduced from Philippines. In this method, seedling become ready for transplanting 12th day after seedling. It comprises rising of a dense stand seedling without contact of soil. The rate of nursery sprout seed is 3 kg per meter square on wooden plank, tray, contract floor or seed bed covered with polythene sheet. Hence, 25 થી 30 meter square nursery area is sufficient for 1 hectare. Next is hybrid rice. In the last decade of 1917, hybrid rice was firstly developed by China using cytoplasmic male sterility fertility restore gene system. After China, India is the second country to commercialize hybrid rice technology. Variety APRH1, APRH2, KRH, MGR1. Then PHB 71 is the only hybrid rice which is released by private organization. Then next, golden rice. The term golden rice given by Indopotricus beta carotene rich gene insert in rice through genetic engineering that fortify the vitamin A content in rice. It is transgenic or GM rice. Then next is system of rice intensification. This methodology system of rice intensification SRI system. This methodology was developed by Henry D. Loughnane in Madagascar in 1980s. It is agroecological approach for increasing productivity of irrigated rice by changing management of plant, soil, water, nutrient and cultivation of rice with much organic manner. Basic principle of SRI is significantly reduce plant population, irrigation quantity, improving soil condition by using less or nil herbicide or chemical. Benefit: it includes 20 to 100% or more increase in yield, up to 90% reduction in required seed and up to 50% water saving. With SRI, average yield of rice is 6 to 7 ton per hectare as compared to conventional method 2 to 3 ton per hectare. SRI method is adopted for irrigated upland or rain-fed rice as well as other crops such as wheat, sugarcane, millet, mustard, etc. SRI method feasible for farmers who small land holding and need to get highest yield as possible from the available land. SRI system is a wide spacing 25 by 25 cm are adopted and transplanted of young seedling at a two leaf stage 8 થી 12 દિવસ after sowing. Nursery area જોઈએ 100 meter square is enough for 1 hectare and with seed rate 2 kg per acre or 5 kg per hectare. Demerit of SRI is the higher labor cost initial year, individual seedling, transplanted and weeding. These are the demerits of SRI method. First is high labor cost in initial year and second for the individual seedling, transplanting and weeding. Next is processing of rice. There are three processes. First is milling. An alluvial layer and embryo are removed during the polishing of rice grain. There is loss of vitamin B, particularly thiamine, the deficiency of which cause disease is called beriberi. In those persons who continuously eat polished rice is known as milling. Polishing of rice, the removal of very fine bran clinging to the milled rice and smoothing the surface is known as polishing. And third is parboiling. It is the hydrothermal process in which crystalline form of starch in changing the amorphous form account for irreversible swelling and fusion of starch. Parboiling process conserve vitamin B12. મિલિંગમાં વિટામિન B12ની ડિફિશિયન્સી થઈ જાય જેનાથી બેરી થાય. પરબોલિંગ પ્રોસેસ કન્ઝર્વ વિટામિન B12. These are the important questions regarding rice crop. Sowing time of oats and autumn is April May. Sowing time in Boro season November December. Then rice inflorescence is known as panicle. Rice is a short day plant. Cardinal temperature 30 થી 40 degree. Hulling of percentage 66. Fruit is rice is known as caryopsis. Widely used nitrogen fertilizer is ammonium sulfate. Optimum pH required is 4 to 6 pH. Met type nursery is related to rice crop. Test weight of basmati rice is 21, normal rice na 25. Most critical stage is booting stage. Biofertilizer used in rice is azolla. Seedling ready for transplanting in Depok method 11 થી 14 દિવસ. Most dominant species of weed is Echinoclea species. White eye of rice is due to Fe deficiency. Browning of rice is Fe toxicity. White eyes of rice is due to Fe toxicity, Fe deficiency. White eyes હોય ને તો Fe deficiency, browning હોય તો toxicity. The gas emitted from rice well is methane. Echivochi disease in rice, it is due to H2S toxicity. Highest nitrogen loss in rice by denitrification. Peira and Teira cropping system is closely related to rice crop. Parboiling of rice to conserve vitamin B12. Seed rate in Depot method is 3 to 4 kg per hectare. Area required for seedling preparation in Depot method is 25 થી 30 meter space. Miracle Rice of India is Jaya. Gene responsible for dwarfness is DG Ugin. Spacing for rice sowing is 20 by 10 meter, 20 by 10 centimeter. Khaira disease, zinc deficiency. Reclamation is cereal, it is due to copper deficiency. And a rice grain is said to be extra long when it is 7 mm or more. Next of wheat we cover in next chapter.